Voila, check it out. Make it tighter once more, and then wrap the G-hook back around the watch right here, and we can slide it into, let's say, this clasp right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, computers, tablets, tech accessories, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this Apple Watch Ultra band right here. This is the orange Alpine Loop. So without further ado, let's start getting this band out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, we've got a picture of the band itself, the orange Alpine Loop right here. Over here on the side, we have, it is for the 49mm Apple Watch Ultra. Obviously, that only comes in one size, and the band is in the large size. So that is the best size for my 184mm or 7¼ inch wrist right here. So anyway, let's just go ahead and let's peel this easy peel tab and open this box up right here. And we can go ahead and pull the band out nice and easy right there. And wow, that is a bright orange color, looks very nice. We've got the inside of the box with some installation instructions right there. And we've got some paperwork under here as well. But anyway, let's just go ahead and pop the band out right there. And we can put this to the side too, and here it is. So let's put it on my Apple Watch. To do that, we can take my watch off my wrist right here. As you can see, I'm rocking it with this beautiful Apple Link bracelet band right here. If you want to check out my video about this band with the Apple Watch Ultra, I'll have a link to that video down in the description. Be sure to check that out. But anyway, we can go ahead and take this band off just by pressing the band release buttons below the Apple Watch Ultra, and then we can slide it out right here, and we can go ahead and we can put this to the side, and then we're ready to put the Alpine Loop into the Apple Watch. Just slide it right in there, and you want the loop side on the top, and then we can go ahead and slide the other piece right here into the Watch Ultra, and we can go ahead and open up this G-hook clasp right here to make the band bigger so it can fit around my hand to put it on. Then we can slide it on. Voila, check it out. Make it tighter once more, and then wrap the G-hook back around the watch right here, and we can slide it into, let's say, this clasp right here, this loop, and now it is on my wrist. So what do you guys think of this bright orange band on my Apple Watch Ultra? Obviously, this is the band that seems to be in most of Apple's marketing materials for the Apple Watch Ultra. I guess the bright orange really stands out, and it does match, you know, the international orange action button right here that's new for the Apple Watch Ultra. Other Apple Watches don't have this, which I have set to, believe it or not, actually start a workout right there on the elliptical, because I've been working out a lot with this watch on. So that's pretty cool right there that it matches that, and it also matches the orange little ring around the digital crown on the Watch Ultra right here, if you guys can pick that up, which is also pretty cool and something that regular Apple Watches just don't have. But now folks, I think I'm going to make this Alpine Loop right here just a bit tighter actually, so it doesn't move around as much. So let's put the hook through this loop right here, and yeah, I think that's definitely better right there, and check it out. And folks, as you know, I've already unboxed the green Alpine Loop in the large size for the Apple Watch Ultra, so if you're interested in seeing that color, be sure to check out my full video about that. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video as well, so check that out. Because guys, there's definitely a stark color difference right here. The green is much more subtle, whereas the orange is certainly an in-your-face popping color, and I also really like how the orange through the middle right here is a much brighter and lighter orange, whereas the rest of it is dark, so that pop of really bright orange, that's definitely going to get in your face right there. Another thing that I will note, which I think is good about this perfect size of the Alpine Loop for my wrist, once again the large, is when I'm resting my hand right here, you know, on a table, this titanium G-hook clasp, at least, you know, right now it doesn't seem like it is touching the table, and you know, if I put it this way, you know, just like this it does, but if I'm just naturally kind of resting my hand like this as I would normally, Doesn't touch the table, which is nice because you wouldn't want the titanium hook to get scratched, or you wouldn't want to scratch something else. And like, let's pretend I'm in typing position right here. And yeah, it looks like that also doesn't really touch the table. And if it does, only just slightly, like right there. But anyway, folks, with that, that'll do it for this nice, quick, easy unboxing of the orange Alpine Loop for the Apple Watch Ultra right here. If you guys want this band for yourself, it will set you back about $100, and it is available once again in this green color that I've already made a video about, as well as a white starlight color too. But if you guys are in the market for your very own Apple Watch Ultra bands, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different Apple Watch Ultra bands I've featured on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out, because as you guys can see, I have a lot of Apple Watch bands right here. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.